Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a designer, then this video you must have to watch. Every designer wants to have a passive income by selling their designs to get some extra money. However, they often encounter the problem of their designs not being approved easily, as existing websites already have a plethora of designs. To overcome this problem, I have a solution for you. So don't skip this video because I have a special offer for you guys, which I'll announce at the end. In this video, I'll introduce you to a marketplace where you can easily get your designs approved and earn passive income without any hassle. The website is MasterBundles. MasterBundles offers you the opportunity to sell your assets worldwide. This marketplace allows you to sell your designs either in bundles or as single items. When you open this site, you can see many design categories and subcategories. This website provides the opportunity to sell various graphic products. This site is very useful for designers who want to sell their graphics assets. You can sell many types of graphic products on this website, like icons, illustrations, patterns, logos, badges, textures, backgrounds, t-shirts, characters, infographics, and many more. Not only that, but you can also sell many types of templates on this website, such as presentation templates, social media templates, mock-up, printables, resumes, UI kits, certificates, and lots of other things. You can also sell your own designed fonts on this website. This website is a big opportunity for those who want to easily sell their graphics assets and earn passive income. As a designer, I am going to show you the entire process of how to upload your designs and have them approved on this website. The first step is to create a registration by signing up. You can check out the link we've provided in the description box to easily open the site and sign up. On this website, you can easily sign up with your Google or Facebook account. Since it's very easy, I skip this part. After signing in, go to your account. When you open your account, you can see an option called Add Products. Click on it. Now I will show you how to sell your designs on this website. Here you can see that we need 2 images for Preview 1 and Preview 2, both of which should have a size of 1100 pixels by 1100 pixels and a maximum file size of 500 kilobytes. Here, you will need to upload the zip file of the design you want to sell. Now, let's go into our Adobe Illustrator. As you can see here, I already opened my design, which I created before. That's because this video is not for designing, so I'll skip this designing part. But if you want to know how I created this beautiful paper cutout effect, you can check out another video where I demonstrate the process. I've provided the video link in the I button and description box, so you can check it out from there. From Illustrator, I already downloaded one JPG file and one AI file, and I created a zip file of the JPG and AI files. In addition, we require a description for the design with a minimum of 150 characters. After arranging all of the things and designs, it's now time to upload them in the MasterBundles. Make sure to fill up all the requirements carefully that MasterBundles wants for your designs. First, give your design a relevant title here. Then, proceed with the other steps one by one. After completing everything, publish your design on MasterBundles. Now, your work is finished, and your design has been uploaded to MasterBundles. Wait some time for your approval. See, when I submitted my design on the site, it was instantly approved and now it is being shown on the front page of the website. If your design is not approved instantly, don't worry. After reviewing your design, the authorities at MasterBundles have approved it to be displayed on their website. If you feel that you need any information or support, you can contact MasterBundles directly from here through phone or email. They will respond to you as soon as possible. And here's the best part. Now it's time to reveal the offer which I mentioned at the beginning of my video. MasterBundle is offering a fantastic deal for the first 10 viewers who use my promo code provided on this video screen. By using the code, you'll receive a free product upload. But hurry up, the promo code is only valid for 3 days, so make sure to take advantage of this opportunity while you can. For those who have been struggling to generate passive income for a while now, I recommend this website, especially for beginner and intermediate level designers who have been trying to earn passive income for a long time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. If you have any questions about the content, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.